friends, have you ever wondered about the dangerous and shocking journey of the red LPG cylinder sitting in your kitchen? Today, via Ultra Factory TV, we're taking you deep inside a high-security zone where thousands of cylinders are born every single day. This isn't an ordinary factory. It's a place where fire and iron collide in a way that will give you goosebumps. If even a tiny crack remains in a single weld, it could become a ticking time bomb. By the end of this video, you'll discover how a simple sheet of metal becomes the ultimate guarantee for your safety. The creation of a cylinder begins with these massive, heavy-duty steel sheets. Watch as giant hydraulic presses use 1,000 tons of pressure to forge them into a perfect bowl shape. But the real magic happens during robotic welding. Here, machines work with such precision that the human eye can barely keep up. Each cylinder is crafted in two halves and then fused together. The sparks flying during this intense process are a testament to its future strength. Did you ever imagine that so much engineering and power go into making just one cylinder? Now comes the most adventurous and crucial part, the hydrostatic test. Once the cylinder is fully formed, it is tested under much higher pressure than it will ever face in reality. They are submerged in massive water tanks to ensure there's absolutely no sign of gas leakage. If even a single bubble appears, that cylinder is instantly destroyed. Following this, the heat treatment and the iconic red paint begin. But wait, have you ever noticed the secret code written on every cylinder? In the next few minutes, we are going to reveal exactly what that code means. But hold on. Do you think a cylinder is ready just because it's got a fresh coat of paint? Not even close. What you're seeing now is the most extreme part of this factory, the blast test room. Here, one cylinder from every batch is randomly selected and subjected to increasing pressure until it literally explodes. This is done to calculate exactly how much load your cylinder can handle under extreme conditions. In addition to that, check out this X-ray scanning process. Every single welding joint undergoes a digital X-ray inspection. If even a microscopic crack is detected within the metal, the entire batch is rejected instantly. Because, folks, a tiny oversight could put thousands of lives at risk. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to reveal the secret valve assembly that prevents gas leaks with 100% efficiency. Have you ever wondered how powerful that tiny rubber washer actually is?
Watch your side, careful now. Got it, rolling it in. Make sure they're secure.
That's tight.
Okay, let's move to the next one. All right, hold it right there. Straps are clear. Bring the forklift in now.
All right, sending the first one down. Clear the way. Got it. Next.
Here is the manifest, 20 cylinders total.
Yes, looks correct. Thank you for the quick delivery.
The seal is secure and the valve is tight. It's ready to go.
Thank you. I appreciate the check.
After passing all the rigorous safety tests, these cylinders are finally ready to head to their destinations. Storing millions of these units together is a massive challenge, which is why this facility is equipped with specialized fire suppression systems. Each cylinder is double-checked one last time to ensure the correct expiration dates and batch numbers are printed clearly. Folks, the red cylinder that ends up in your kitchen is the result of massive engineering and the hard work of thousands, all to keep your home safe. If you enjoyed this incredible factory tour and appreciate our work, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel with the bell icon turned on so you never miss our next upload. Now, it's your turn. Comment below and let us know which topic or factory you'd like to see us cover next. We can't wait to read your suggestions.